The high-precision remote metrology use case has been carried out under the Unico 6G Smart project with the strong collaboration of 4 partners. Trimec, part of Innovalia Metrology Group, is an SME that offers metrological and dimensional inspection solutions. Innovalia Association is a private research lab with a specific unit for advanced metrology and manufacturing. i2CAT Research Center in Barcelona focusing on 5G per 6G and future connectivity. Neutrone Technologies spin-off of i2CAT with the vision of making 5G more affordable, open and flexible. As productivity, flexibility and excellence increase in manufacturing, digitization and metrology 4.0 strategies become more important, and so, Trimec and Innovalia are willing to offer an integral ecosystem for inline quality control, connectivity and zero-defect manufacturing. The traditional metrological process is yet highly dependent of the physical presence of an expert next to the CMM machines to carry out alignment and calibration procedures in order to ensure the highest accuracy during the measurements. Experts still need to visit factories physically to configure machines and design processes, and moreover, the quality control process remains isolated from the production line, meaning slower, less flexible and inefficient manufacturing. In this context, and within the Unico 6G Smart project, CMM machines, metrological software and 5G connectivity have merged to develop the 5G-based, people-centric, metrological services of the future. The main challenge addressed by the high-precision remote metrology use case in the Unico 6G Smart project is to guarantee the quality of the transmission of the CMM traffic, taking into account the point clouds, the sensors and the cameras, over a public network where other mobile network users will also transmit and take up bandwidth. These innovations have been developed in first-class facilities placed in a real industrial environment at the Automotive Intelligence Center. For the 5G infrastructure of the project, 2 different areas in the AIC have been provided with 5G coverage, a metrological laboratory with a Spark CMM and an annex office as the remote worker station. The end-to-end connectivity in the use case utilizes a private 5G network simulating a public network with a 2-cell Nomad 5G system by Neutrone, 1 cell covering the CMM machine and the other one the remote worker. 2 CPEs developed by i2CAT were used to connect both the remote worker and the CMM machine. Additional interferer device in each cell were considered to generate background traffic in each cell, representing the conditions of a real public network. The 5G feature that has been key to ensure the protection of quality metrology traffic is the 5G NR bandwidth parts mechanism. This 5G mechanism enables a dynamical allocation of resources to the CMM traffic in each cell. Within the high-precision remote metrology use case, the CMM machines from Trimec and the M3 software from Innovalia integrated 5G technologies in their quality control process to enable the operation of the machine by a remote worker. Using the 5G-enabled metrology developed in 6G Smart, a customer can call a centralized service center, and a metrology expert can connect remotely to the CMM and, supported by sensors and a video stream of the CMM, operate the machine based on real-time operating information as if he was physically by the machine. This inspection and monitoring of the process is essential both to guarantee the accuracy of the measurement and the safety of the process itself. For this to happen, 2 different stations were prepared. One with robot link and data assembler connected to the CMM, capturing and transmitting video and data from the cameras and sensors as well as the capturing the point cloud of the measured part. And another one, the remote operator station receiving the status of the CMM measuring process with an M3 installation adapted with a virtual joystick to allow remote intervention if any alert is raised. To characterize the application performance, we varied the sampling period and the sensor speed of the CMM. To emulate realistic network conditions, several background internet users were generating traffic in the same cells where the CMM and the remote user were connected. The internet traffic was creating interference to the CMM traffic. To assess whether the remote operation of the CMM is possible under a given network configuration, we attempt to complete a scan of a test part. First, we look at what happens when we increase the internet users without using any protection mechanism for the CMM traffic. With 5 internet user equipment, sampling periods below 30 milliseconds cannot be sustained. With 6 internet user equipment, there is no application configuration where we can complete a scan. Now, we look at what happens when we use the 5G NR bandwidth parts to protect the CMM traffic. We focus on the case of 6 internet users, and change the bandwidth part reservations in the CMM cell and the remote worker cell. The results are shown in the next table, where we can see how a 30% reservation in the CMM cell and a 10% reservation in the remote worker cell is enough to guarantee the remote operation of the CMM for all the application configurations. The manufacturing sector follows a strategic path towards a sustainable, human-centric and resilient industry. Based on the experimental results, public 5G networks supporting 5G NR bandwidth parts can be used to enable remote metrology operations. Built upon the CMM machines from Trimec and the M3 metrological software from Innovalia Association, new metrological products and services can be delivered to the industry. Thanks to 5G connectivity, services such as remote assistance, remote collaboration, and remote control and operation will guarantee maximum quality in a flexible, fast and secure way for the dimensional quality control in manufacturing. Let metrological experts take care of any problem, and unlock the true potential of your factory. Smart connected factories, take control of your process.